guys, welcome back to Needle and Thread. Today we're going to be filming a how to make your friendship beaded bracelet. But first, let me show you today's outfit. So I made this outfit. This is a crop top shirt with no sleeves. It's just really long and big, so it makes a shirt and makes sleeves itself. These are joggers. They have seam down the middle, and then there's one white pocket for style, and at the end they're cuffed. Back to the video. The supplies we'll be needing are your choice of color thread, and then you'll be needing a bunch of beads. Mine have all different letters on them, scissors, and some other beads if you'd like. So for the first part, you are going to be grabbing a piece of string that measures perfectly around your wrist with an extra couple of inches. So the next step is to put your string aside and pick out your beads. I've picked a couple of options right here. Mine is going to be saying rad, and so now I'm going to pick which pattern I want for my bracelet. These are the three options I've chosen for rad. Now I'm going to set these aside and pick out other beads to go around the bracelet. The next step is to grab your string and put your pattern of beads that you would like. So I chose neon colors of yellow, green, and orange. And I'm gonna do yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange over and over again. And then in the middle, I'm gonna have rad. Dang it! Ugh.
What happened?
I dropped it. I dropped it.
She just finished it.
I just finished it and it fit perfectly, and I was spinning around my wrist and I went, oops.
Well, at least now you know how much beads you need. They're just on the ground.
I quit. I quit. You know what? I quit. Oh, you quit. I'm done. Done with YouTube. Subscribe if you want more. And like this video. I think it might be a little too loose. I may need to, yeah, it's too loose. I need to undo a couple. Then you're gonna want to tie it multiple times until you feel like it's secure. So as you can see, I did multiple knots. This is probably like 7 knots. And now you're going to want to cut off any excess string. Make sure to throw away your scraps because, you know, save the turtles, no plastic. When your bracelet is all finished, this is what it should look like. Now to put it on. See,
Oh my god! That's good.
For life vest.
Just make a really big one and it'll save your life. My pants are super duper cool with the white one on my butt. And my rad, super rad. going to be playing hide and go seek, and my camera girl is going to be hiding the bracelet, and then I'll be walking around with the camera and looking for it. Pretty. So where's your...
I feel like I'm recording.
So right here you can see how many knots there are, and now.
No, wait, it wasn't even in focus. Do it again. Oh, it's just zooming on your nails. Wait, stop moving so much.